Hey there and welcome back to my YouTube chess channel where we together explore the exciting chess world. Today's topic is a crazy chess trap, or to be more specific, checkmate in 6 moves trap for black, with which you can completely destroy every chess beginner in the game of chess, and I also believe lots of advanced chess players. It starts with pawn to d4, the queen's pawn opening, on which we with black continue with knight to f6, the key, or also called the main move of the very interesting Indian defense. Followed by white developing their knight here instantly on d2 with the intention to control more of this very important center of the chessboard. And I also believe if you're looking for a chess trap to surprise your opponents and catch them off guard, this trap seems to be perfect for you and the right one for you. Because in this position, also referring to the title of this video, we played pawn to e5, instantly just sacrificing our pawn here, the e-pawn, to the white army. This is called the Lazard Gambit. So white obviously captures our now undefended pawn here on e5, also attacking our knight here on f6. Therefore we escape with the knight on g4, also attacking the white pawn on e5 now. So the main intention and the main idea behind the Lazard Gambit is to just sacrifice our pawn and in the next move to attack the opponent's pawn. Because the interesting thing about this position is that white does not have a good and reasonable move to defend this pawn on e5 now. Therefore they could possibly play now pawn to h3, just attacking our knight here on g4. So the interesting thing here is that this is a very big mistake. Not only because this pawn on e5 is now undefended and we could possibly take it out, so capture it with our knight, but there's also another very important reason. But before I will show you this reason, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Because I'm really trying to reach the 1000 subscribers right now, so that I will get monetized on YouTube, leading to me being able to produce more chess videos for you and for my community and to increase the quality of them. About different traps, chess traps, openings, strategy and so on. So just write in the comments which videos you want to see in the future on this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. So even if at first it seems that pawn to h3 here is a logical and good move, just attacking our knight here on g4, which is pretty aggressively standing there with the idea to push it back on its own half of the chessboard, it is actually a really big and also a game deciding mistake. Because after black has played what the computer says, and what actually also is the best move, sacrificing his knight by moving on e3, the game is really close to be over right now for white. And probably you're even right now again asking yourself, well, this is just again a full loss of a knight and white is just completely down 4 points of material, so 4 pawns, which is a lot for the only 4th move of the game. Then you're again wrong. Because after white has done the mistake again and captured the black knight, black sacrifice knight on e3, we play the crazy and winning move queen to h4 with check. And after white has played the only move that is left, so pawn to g3 blocking the check, we again just capture it with now checkmate. Because white cannot capture our queen, they cannot move away with their checkmated king, and then they also, unluckily, cannot put a piece between their king and our queen. Therefore, after 6 moves into the game in the Lazard Gambit, we have checkmated the white chess pieces. Wasn't this crazy? But before this video ends, I would quickly like to show you how to defend yourself against this stunning chess trap. So at first, of course, there are no problems with playing the queen's pawn opening and the Indian defense, and even accepting the Lazard Gambit by capturing the here sacrificed black pawn on e5. But after black has escaped with the knight on g4, you definitely should not attack the knight with pawn to h3 because of the already shown checkmate in the following 2 moves. You should rather play moves like pawn to e4 or knight to f3, defending your pawn here on e5. But you can just ignore this pretty aggressive standing and annoying knight on g4 here, because he's not dangerous there. You can attack him later with other moves, but not pawn to h3. And even if you play this move and after black has sacrificed this knight by moving on e3, and you're smart enough not to capture the now sacrificed knight with your f2 pawn, then you'll still lose your queen, which is completely blocked by its own chess pieces, in the next move. But this was then already with this video, in which I have shown you this crazy checkmate in 6 moves trap in the Lazard Gambit. I really hope that you liked the video. If you liked it, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. Till next time, bye!